Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to connect Gelato to your eBay. So first thing that we should do here is I have on the other tab. I have logged into my Gelato account. So if you don't have an account yet, just have to go to their website and sign up for free. And on the other tab, I have my eBay store. So you just have to go to the website and then log into your eBay account. So, just a disclaimer, currently Gelato does not have a direct integration with eBay, but you can connect them via an intermediary e commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, which integrates with both. So, with option one, we have the Shopify integration. So, let me just go here on my eBay and then go to start listing our products. Okay, so for example, we are looking for t-shirts. Just have to use the search bar to find a match. And if you do found a match right here, you will then just have to click on it or continue without a match. So I think I'll be using this match right here and then select the condition of your item. After that, just click on continue to listing. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So once done, you will then just have to put here the details of your product. So you can add photos, description, the pricing, the shipping, as well as the other details of your product. Okay, so you will then just have to fill out the required form in order for you to list this product. Okay, so right here we can select a shipping service. This one is very important. And then right here you will then just have to type out the price. It's for example $5. The next one is the local pickup. We also have these options right here. And then after that, just click on list it. Okay, so when you do that, you'll be able to list this product. So now let's go ahead and open this tab, and I'm going to show you how you can go to the Gelato website. Just use the search bar and then type out Gelato and you'd be able to see this website. So just click on it, and then after that you just have to simply click on sign up for free or click on sign in, and then you'd be redirected to this page. Okay, so once done creating your account, you'll be directed to your dashboard and then just simply click on store. And as you can see right here, for the direct integration, we only have these options, and the eBay is on the other integration. That is why in this video, we are going to use the Shopify. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have successfully connected my Shopify account as well, or my Shopify store. So the first thing that we should do is we have to create a Shopify store and install the eBay app from the Shopify's app store. So just open a new tab and then go to Shopify website, and then you can now start your free trial or sign in or log in if you already have an account on Shopify. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be directed to this page. So to install the eBay app from your Shopify's app stores, just click on the apps option right here at the left side, and then using the search bar is you just have to type out eBay. Okay, and then just click on enter and you'd be able to see this application. Okay, so just give me a minute. So this one right here, so just simply click on it. Okay, that's right. And right here, as you can see, you'd be able to see the install options. Just clicked on it. So I can only see the open options since I already installed this on my Shopify App Store. So just take note that this application is not for free, but you have a 7 days free trial. So before you could invest in this one, so you have 7 days to decide. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So this is our dashboard. And now the next thing that we should do is to connect Gelato to Shopify by installing the Gelato app from the Shopify app store. So you just have to do the same. Just use the search bar and search for Gelato. Okay, so this one right here. Then after that, just click on install. And then once done, just click on open. Okay, so just give me a minute and you'd be directed to the Gelato website. And then right here, you would be able to see now that our Shopify is connected to Gelato. So again, since Gelato doesn't have a direct integration with eBay, we can now connect them to our intermediary e-commerce platform. So the first thing that we should do here is to go to the eBay dashboard. Okay, so let me just go here and I will just show you my products on my Shopify app store. As you can see, I only have two products since I am just using this account for the videos that we are making. Okay, so now let's go to the eBay integration. So right here, you'll then just have to click on this option under the things to consider. And you'd be able to see here now all of the products that we have synced from eBay. Okay, so take note that you have to create an eBay store first before you can import your products. So after setting up your products in Shopify, you just have to sync them from Gelato. You can list them on the eBay through the eBay app in Shopify. So that's what we did, and that's what we are talking about. So assuming that these are the products that we have listed using the eBay. Okay, so let me just go to my products right here. And then assuming that these are the products that we have listed on eBay. Okay, so what we're going to do is to go back here to the Gelato website. And then as you can see, since our Shopify store is connected, we'll then just have to click on the add product option. And right here, we can now choose a product that we can connect to our eBay. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the available store since my eBay account is not fully created because I did not create an eBay store for some reason. But if you already have, so you just have to do and follow the steps. Okay, so just simply click on connect product. There here you can choose products that you can connect. Okay, so you have here different categories. You can also use the search bar at the top if you are looking for a specific product. So basically, the good side of integrating the eBay with Gelato, it includes the low risk, no inventory. So Gelato handles production and shipping, so you don't need to invest in stock or manage inventory. Next, for the global reach, with Gelato's global network, you can sell products worldwide with fast local production and shipping to multiple countries. Next is the customization. You can offer personalized products to your eBay customers, increasing the appeal of your store. The next one is automated fulfillment. Orders placed on eBay are fulfilled automatically by Gelato, saving you time and effort. And the last one, as your sales grow, you can easily scale without worrying about fulfillment capacity or shipping logistics. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.